Auto cabin pressurization is set during cockpit preparations. Instructions for setting auto cabin pressurization are as follows. Set the mode selector to off. Next, set the flight altitude indicator to the planned flight altitude. Now touch the flight altitude knob to set the indicator. Then, set the land altitude indicator to the planned landing field elevation. Now touch the land altitude knobs to set the indicator. During taxi-out, position the flight ground switch to flight for pre-takeoff pressurization. Preparation of standby cabin pressurization is done as a backup in case auto mode should fail. To prepare cabin pressurization as a backup, set the standby cabin rate knob at the index. Now touch the cabin rate knob. Cabin altitude is set by using the cabin altitude knob. Instructions for setting the cabin altitude are as follows. Determine the cabin altitude at the planned cruise altitude by checking the pressurization schedule placard. Compare the cabin cruise altitude with the destination land altitude, minus 200 feet. Set the cabin altitude to the higher of the two altitudes using the cabin altitude knobs. Now touch the cabin altitude knobs to set the indicator.